crow wore stripy shoes. One was pink and one chartreuse. He danced on branches high and low, then moonwalked past a sleepy doe. He juggled berries 5 or 6 with cherry pies and pancake sticks. He sang to frogs in a polka dot hat and waltzed with a giggling tabby cat. He built a nest from colored string and made it bounce like a trampoline. He flew in loops through jelly bean air with the bubblegum winds who tossed his hair. At dusk he perched on the sand in a ting, Cindy to stores in a toddler scene, and slept no while but never roved, and snored while dreaming of flying chirp. He batched meats from a cornet skin, me bats on the chandelier, flew to Delaware. We fought on waves and coasty fail. Lest we press on a cinnamon tree, sipping sweet stars in a cocoa sea. He chirped on wall but never rued, and snored while dreaming of flying.